Yeah, man, ShottaFlowtv, you know. And that me saying, no. Big up yourself all the time, you know. You don't know ShottaFlowtv.
Yeah, man, ShottaFlowtv run here with the latest topic update, news and reviews. My people, once again, big up on yourself at all the times. So we're going to jump straight down into the topic. We're going to talk about Vybz Kartel and the final appeal. You understand what me I say? Isaac Buchanan, the attorney who represents King of Dancehall, Vybz Kartel. You understand? He is eager to argue the Fever DJ final appeal at the UK Judicial Committee. In March 2014, Vybz Kartel, real name Teejay-Popose, his friend Sean Storm Campbell and two associates, Kaharia Jones and Andre Madsus, were all found guilty of killing Clive Lizard William, who according to prosecutor had disappeared after failing to return unlicensed firearm to Vybz Kartel. After their conviction was largely upheld by the Jamaica Court of Appeal in April 2020, the four men were moved to a private council, the final court appeal for the Commonwealth nation, included Jamaica, to seeking overturn their life sentence that ranged from 22 years to 32 years before parole. Remember me tell you, say it's not easy. You understand what me I say? Yes, so you don't know Vybz Kartel right now. I take this thing to UK to see if he can get this thing situated. Said to himself, say, yo, the justice in Jamaica ain't right, you know, corrupt, you know, so we have to adjust this situation better. You understand what me I say? You don't know my artist, you know, wish you all the best all the way, my brother, cause no man no want this for themselves, and that me I try to make you know. And you have to stand firm and back up for your rights. You don't know, see, I saw the thing go. Yeah. So right about now, we have another rumor running around the place right about now about Jada Kingdom, right? American rapper Fredo Banks say he loaned Jamaican artist Jada Kingdom money to assist with deportation, and also contrary to the narrative that he paid to sleep with the Win hitmaker. The claim first surfaced in 2022 from Jada Kingdom, former friend and jail rapper Jada, been accused of engaging in prostitution. You understand? With Jada allegedly that Kingdom has admitted to sleep with Feather for $10,000. Twinkle clarified that it was actually about $35,000. Now pinpoint, now pick up for no one in that story, but all I can say to the public, you have to be very careful of things what you do in your life, you know, and people who you roll with, because your life can go down the drain by simple things, especially prostitution is not a good look for your career. It brings trauma. It's very traumatizing. And that me I try make you know. You understand when me I say low self-esteem, guilt. You see when me I say, you know, one of them things for your consciousness, because it will hurt you and damage you for the rest of your life. You see what me I say? But you don't know, say, Jada Kingdom a do her thing and she not care about nobody and hear when nobody I say she does a do her thing. Big up yourself. Jada Kingdom, I saw the thing go at all the time. You don't know me, people. So right about now, we're going to jump into another topic. Right about now, we're going to talk about Teejay. Dancehall artist Teejay has proposed to his longtime girlfriend, Tiana. The top boss went live on Instagram after a huge surprise. You understand? That's a good look to show off his freshly minted fiancé ring finger. The couple and a few other friends are currently in Mexico to celebrate her 26th birthday. Also, you know, said the artist set up restaurant, staffing, and everything, you understand, after eating dinner and dessert and them thing, yeah, boom, ring pop up, no words, big surprise, you understand when me I say, no, kneel down, for nothing, it just was a great surprise for the female. You don't know, Tiana, big up, Miss Tiana, you understand? Yes, it's a great look. Cause you don't know, it's a Teejay career, you know, a shot. Thing just keep shotting. The man a spread him wings wide. The man a sign new deals, touring, hit song, live performance, stage show, dub plate, you name it. The man a do it all. The man thing a shot. Also, check out him YouTube channel. You can see it right there. That everything where we are talking about, yes, so it a show up on the man thing. The man thing look good. And that me I say, TJ, big up yourself. You don't know, say, I saw the thing go me artist. You understand what me I say, me people. So we're going to talk about some other stuff what take place right about now. Popcorn. Popcorn kick off the song with smooth vocal expressing desire for a captivating woman. Remember me tell you that? So this year, Popcorn is ready to bring his Unruly Fest to London on July the 28th as part of the South Facing Festival, a series of opening air concert taking place in the city during the summer. And you don't know, say, that event is about 8,000 to 10,000 seats. You understand? Ready. Papi ready for pop down the whole of the place right now in London. You understand what I say? My people, you don't know. So you have to big up the Unruly boss. The man a do him thing. The man a spread him thing. Him just drop another collaboration with another international rap artist. You understand what I say? It's a great look. The man keep a trend him thing and a do him thing. Yes, papi, big up yourself at all the times. Yes, my people, so you talk about Spice, go down there with Shaggy and Sean Paul goes platinum in Canada. Queen of Dancehall Spice has earned her first platinum certification. You understand, in Canada. We go down there. Her collaboration in 2021 with dancehall superstar Shaggy and Sean Paul. According to the music in Canada, the song was issued the platinum single certification on Tuesday, February the 6th, after it surpasses 80,000 units for a single sale on demand streaming in the country in Canada. You don't know, so that's a very good look for Spice career right about now. You understand what me I say? Because right now in the music business, it's not easy right now to sell platinum, me I tell you. You understand? You think of your buzz real good. You understand what me I say? It's a good look. Spice, big up yourself, because you don't know, so you're always pushing to do your thing, you know, and you always now watch nothing and go and do your thing, so just go and big up yourself. My people, you don't know, so this is ShottaFlowtv run here with the latest topic update, news, and my reviews. And I want to tell you, my people, big up on yourself at all the times. And much love and respect, me say. You understand? Because without each other, what we have, nothing. And that me I try to make you know. You don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest update. You understand what me I say? Big up on yourself. Have a blessed day. Until then, we tune in on the next video. Bang.